This is Siddipet. So 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 this Siddipet lake looks so cool. Hi guys, this is Crossley Monster 32 and how are you doing guys? And welcome back to my channel guys. So it's been like a week making the explanation vlog about my camera story. So like that, approximately it's been a week like that. So right now, so today there's a ride based on Republic Day of Jan 2024. So me and my friends are going to a short ride, but it's just a breakfast ride, just like 45 kilometers approximately. So guys, we'll be reaching our friends, biker friends, within like 2 minutes approximately. So guys, actually I mentioned about the Insta361 RS Twin Edition unboxing. So I actually tried that, but it was unsuccessful unboxing the camera. So I just cancelled it for uploading the video on YouTube. So directly these vlogs are coming up. So that's the story. Hi bro, hi, how are you? Happy Republic Day. Thank you. Which shape are you? Which shape are you? 20 minutes. Okay. You over rally. So guys, some of our friends are still on the way to here. Actually this is the meetup point for the ride. So check out our bikes guys. As of now there are 2 bikes here. There are 2 bikes. Check out my beast man. Looks crazy, right? I thought I'm dead here, but my friends are still coming. Who is that? I don't know. Hi. He's shutting here slowly. Nice to meet you. So guys, my friends are still on the way. They are coming. So
తిరుమల తగ్గకుండా బీచ్ ఎవరు చెప్ప వాళ్ళే ఫస్ట్ ఫాలో ఎవరు చెప్ప मेरे को गोदावरी नहीं मालूम आप लेके जाओ लीड చేయలేనబ్బా ఓకే నేను తీసుకో
So guys, we just reached the Siddipet kind of lake. So just to get the lake view, this is Siddipet. So this Siddipet lake looks so cool, and this lake is pretty much big, as you can see. And he's our biker friend. He's Vijay. He's vlogging on Insta3X3, you can see. Of course, don't forget the bikes. Check out the bikes. So right now the time is like 1 o'clock, 1 p.m. approximately. So So here's our bike, my Monster. So what else? So as you can see, there's a small bridge right there. That's nice, and some people are walking over there. So, and this place is pretty much cool. I'm here for first time, and this place is pretty much cool. So yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button below. Please do like, comment, share, and please do subscribe my channel for more vlogs like this. And thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Ride safe, spread love and peace.